So why does Allah send all this? لِيُذِيقَهُمْ بَعْضَ الَّذِي عَمِلُوا, just to give you a little bit of taste. This is not real punishment. Look at it like this. You've got a 6'6" guy and you've got a little kid in front of him, 3 years of age, and that little kid's done something wrong. So this 6'6" hatta katta guy just sort of like touches him like that. You don't do it again. Is he punishing him? He's not punishing him. That's not punishment for what that guy can do. If that guy were to hit him one, just give him one, he'd sink in the seventh earth. That's the strength that he's given him. So what you see in terms of calamities, this is not real punishment. This is not. Ask Qarun. Allah just introduced himself to Qarun. His arrogance got the better of him. How did Allah introduce himself to Qarun?